Welcome, welcome. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Happy Sunday. Moon Boys Podcast is live, and we're here today with Theo Tzu, the boss man, and Bad Religion.
How's it going?
Welcome. How are you guys doing?
Good. Thank you. Enjoying the heat in London.
Wow, how hot is
the
it?
World Cup. Oh, it's 30 degrees. I don't know how much is that in whatever Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's good. And enjoying the World Cup.
Nice.
Many games. I'm tired already.
Yeah, Brazil is coming up. I'm going to be putting that on in possibly like after this, a little bit after the stream. I forgot who they're playing, but yeah, Brazil is always like one of those top teams that has like really cool moments. I was watching Norway. No, not Norway. What is it? Netherlands and
Sweden.
Yeah. I haven't seen this guy. Basically Sweden was putting in work, but they couldn't push through. Netherlands were really good.
Yeah,
that was a phenomenal goals. Yeah.
yeah. A massacre. Crazy.
Theo, are you watching this also, or you're not really a soccer fan?
I like playing soccer, but I haven't been watching soccer.
Playing is better.
Yeah, playing is awesome. Cool. So let's get into it. I know, again, none of this is financial advice, so whatever you guys are hearing from is pretty much our opinions. And when you are pressing the buy button, you're doing it under your own jurisdiction, I guess you could say, in your own little personal square. I'll say we got some charts going over here. Theo has the money line on the Bitcoin. Maybe you could explain what's happening here, Theo. Are we bullish?
Yeah,
or are
I drew a nice triangle here, which lines up with the 200. But yeah, this is just Bitcoin. We're still bearish as far as I can tell. We're going into summer. That's Bitcoin. Yeah, it's good times. Cool, so I updated my lines here. So I had this green line way out here I was projecting, but I actually have this red line here that would be the length of the previous bear market. So from here to here was 390 days. Oh, that's okay. And then from here to here would be another 390 days. So that would take us into end of November. Yeah, so that's potentially the bottom we would look at if the fractal continues.
Nice. So you're thinking it's gonna follow through that triangle?
Potentially. I mean, you never know for sure what's going to happen, but yeah, I'm still following that 125-day moving average. So that's the line here in turquoise, and so we're well below it. So I have no Bitcoin at the moment.
Nice. Well, we do have some bullish momentum here. Back to 64K, so it's nice to kind of see if we are gonna break this. So like pretty much we tried right here, kind of was like a fake out, but then we held support. It's really a fight between market makers, and there's really a lot of bullish support. If you look at our liquidation heat map, you can see that there's a big, nice, fat almost on this chart kind of looks like there's 400K Bitcoin and up for liquidation. But of course we have to look at it the Binance chart, because that's mostly what it is. So we have to do BTC USDT or Binance would be the most accurate result for that liquidation heat map, because that kind of follows it. So with this you can definitely see that those guys were liquidated, but there is still like this fat 2 compounding almost BTC and one long position pushing the total liquidation heat map here to almost 310,000 Bitcoins. Now that's a bullish similar how this was like a bearish move over here. Now there's another bullish move. So it's kind of like we're in the middle of the tug of war between these two levels. They're very significant. One of them will have to be broken, I would think, in the coming weeks for sure. On the bullish side, of course, it's pretty close. We're just 5K away from wrecking these short players. And that could give us enough momentum to really start pushing it to 70 and 80K. That's the title of this video. What do you guys think about that? Are you prepared for this?
I think so. But I don't think it's going to be soon. It's going to take a few weeks, months. I think like Theo said, let the summer finish and then we get...
So you think we're just going to range? We're going to range here?
Maybe a little bit down after, I don't know, at some point. Those liquidations, I think they may liquidate.
And one of them will definitely have to get hit, right? Somebody.
Yeah, I'm sure that's going to happen and they go good, like 50 something, 52, 53. I don't know where the support is, But
So you're thinking it's going to go towards the 300,000 bitcoins that they were going to want to liquidate
yeah,
and
I
grab,
think so.
and then
Drops
possibly
a little bit, and then we end the summer, and then things start going.
So there's also this flash crash potential. Like, what if we have like one of those crazy candles with like super bleeding, and it goes all the way to 38K?
Could be.
That would be crazy, especially if it breaks this. It kind of looks like they're really betting on this level to hold a lot of players.
Would you put buying orders there or no?
I mean, at the moment, of course, I have some limit orders here in between these two. And I'm following production costs mostly, so that's where my limit orders are. And if obviously if production cost increases, I'll just push it up. But so far, production cost is kind of sitting in this area, which is nice. But if we do break this and we start going above the 50 and holding the 50 on a daily, I think that's pretty bullish at this point. And this could be a bottom. A lot of things are lining up for that as well. Because like if you look at, let me just clear up the chart. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance and the altcoins, they're really picking up. I'm noticing.
Yeah, we were just talking about that.
Slowly but surely, they're like kind of recovering. So Bitcoin dominance is going down, right? It really flushed here, but this is also when Bitcoin flushed. But the alts are holding, so you could say the alts are kind of like at the bottom. And even if Bitcoin starts flushing again to 50K, even like how you're saying it, has a better chance to do, I think alts are still going to hold their price, and they're not going to go much lower. So this naturally will just drop again on its own because of Bitcoin price dropping. Now, if Bitcoin price goes up and alts don't go up, obviously this is gonna spike back up too.
Yeah, the theory is that we don't have any sellers, especially on altcoins. They dropped like 90 something. Who's gonna sell for $2 or $3? Most of the people, right? So
exactly,
it's better just hold it. So there's no one to sell. So let's see.
Or the coin is already like has to get hacked or something, for it to go get the final like squeeze to the finished graveyard, or. But pretty much, I agree with you guys on that. But yeah, that's like a little bit bullishness right here that we have is, and if you look at the total 3 and the others dominance, they're kind of like doing the double bottom situation, which is cool to see. And also just holding like this very long support lines from the previous top. Like we might go lower, but we seem to be kind of like not breaking. We're in this range basically from the prior top of 2024 of that alt season bull run to like this part. This is going to be interesting in terms of our other dominance. We're also like we're holding bottom and we're growing up. So there was this crazy wick here that happened from October 8th, and it seems that the total market cap for crypto hasn't really pushed down. So a lot of coins did though. A lot of coins when they had that wick there, like here trading here. So this is probably calculating Ethereum, Solana, XRP. So those ones are holding better.
That's excluding top 10, right? So it's excluding XRP and Ethereum.
Top 10. So yeah, I wonder which one's in the top 10. Probably stables nowadays. There's too many stables.
Yeah, at least a couple stables. Binance, Cardano.
I don't think Cardano is still in the top 10. No? If you exclude the stables, maybe they are on the top 10. I think it was.
There was like on the other top 10. There's Zcash.
Oh, Hyperliquid and Dogecoin. And Tron.
Yeah.
It only dies here. Okay, and this one.
Yeah, Cardano number 15. So.
Yeah. Wow. So the top 10 really switched up. Before it was, I remember, so many stables. So now like the alts are really taking it back, which is cool to see. That's like another life bring me back to life evanescence moment over here.
Yeah.
Hyperliquid is sick. Dogecoin number 10. So yeah, that indicator is just minuses these guys. And then you just have like everyone below. So they're actually holding up. They're pushing back up towards like recovery. In a sense, once we break this point, we're gonna go back to this range. So this is all good for alts. Yeah, very good for alts. Bitcoin obviously already did its thing. But it also has a good chance once things pick up. Bitcoin is like the number 1 altcoin. So I mean, Bitcoin is like the first altcoin. It's nice to see.
There's a lot of movement in Solana altcoins as well. There was a lot of like Jupiter, Camino, Meteora, went up quite a lot. What was the other one? Tensor and Drift. I don't know why.
So I only have Radium right now at the moment, but yeah, Radium has been holding too as well. It's pretty cool. This was like the bottom in 2023, and it never really went that low. So that's nice to see. especially in altcoins. Like I had a little bit of a, where's that? Avalanche. I mean, Avalanche, man.
Oh my god, that's
I still kind of hold it because it was just, but I mean, it's still like above, which is nice, but like it kind of broke this really, really big support. And some coins are really there, like BNB is back on. Oh shit, what do I do here? Wait, how do I go back? I have to lock this drawing. BNB kind of had that almost right here. Was it here? Oh yeah, like right here when it was like trying to break 400, and then it went back up and it was holding this level. So it's kind of back at this really like make it or break it level too, which is nice to see that, you know, we're so cheap in altcoin space, even for some of the major projects like Binance, GMX. This one was like futures. This is like Hyperliquid but decentralized. So very, very hard. It's a little bit bad to see these coins, but I have a hope that they might recover, you know, especially as we're going into privacy, decentralization. Hyperliquid is very centralized. So whenever Hyperliquid is going to start getting tested in terms of legality and whatnot for not having KYC, these coins are going to be way better in line to actually gaining opportunity on Arbitrum because they're really all based on smart contract perpetuals. GMX, and then GNS was the other one, but I think I got rid of that one. I don't really see it anymore.
What's GNS?
It's a similar gains. One of the guys was using it from I forgot his name, the liquidity pool guy. No, maybe it was gains, but yeah, he was using this platform, and their token just got really eaten alive. Still dropping, but it's another like alternative to Hyperliquid, but it's decentralized fully. So it's nice to see options that are available. You know, you don't have to just go to a centralized solution, but they do not perform as good. Like if we look at Hype, it's like a beast. Even with that drop, it's still recovering. Unlike those other tokens, this is an uptrend versus what they are doing. It's a downtrend. Of course, I have a theory about this. I think like the guys at Arbitrum who created GMX and all these stuff, maybe they just were like, you know what, screw it. People don't want to use our decentralized solutions. Let's just build a super fast, you know, centralized one. And they probably got together and, you know, created Hyperliquid.
Could be. Yeah, they realize no one cares about decentralization. It's just a buzzword nowadays. So.
Yep.
The end of the day.
It's so much simpler. Cool. Theo, do you have any like maybe news we could also jump in to see what's going on in the world? I have been out of the news.
Let's do it. Bad Religion, do you want to read the news?
Yeah. Can I start? Yeah. So U.S. blockade ended after deal with was signed. We have the Fed held rate steady and omitted a forward guidance at Warsh first meeting. Odds of July rate hike increased to 25%. This is a good one. Stretch fell as low as $82 before recovering back over 88. Sorry. Saylor admitted to use AI to develop Stretch. Binance's Mika license is in jeopardy, and the exchange could lose permission to serve EU clients. Some could be affected.
It's happening to a lot of exchanges.
Yeah, not good. So we have Rockstar opens pre-orders of GTA 6 on June 25. I have to take holidays just to play this game. Yeah. Intel gained 14% on rumors of Apple chip deal. CME Group announced plans to sue CFTC over regulation of perpetual futures. And SpaceX briefly flipped Microsoft to become the fourth largest public company by market cap before pulling back. SpaceX to acquire Cursor coding platform for $60 billion with B.
Those are crazy. Like Intel's still going, and then I thought people weren't really using Cursor anymore, but I guess it's still relevant. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I know you still use Cursor. Yeah, exactly.
And it's quite expanding a lot, to be honest. On other news, we have Franklin Templeton filed for ETF that reinvests stock dividends into BTC. This is the funny one. SBF told prison inmate that he will launch a token when he gets out of the jail. Could be in 20 years, but I don't know.
We got to front run the SBF token.
Exactly. The day he leaves the
SBF now,
yeah. ETFs have now recorded 153 million in net inflows. HYPE hit a new all-time high of $77 on Wednesday. Strategy added 100 million Bitcoin and 100 million cash reserves. And on the AI front, that we were just mentioning, this is a good one. AI image and video generation company Midjourney revealed full body medical scanner. AI is not only just to fake stuff, so we can actually use it for something.
That's surprising coming from Midjourney, because they're like an AI art company, but yeah, I guess they're good at analyzing images, right?
Yeah, that's the whole point. I think it's great news. And Coinbase launch SEC registered AI investment advisors. White House demanded that Fable 5 be impossible to jailbreak before re-release. Anthropic CEO said companies testing Mythos liken it to a super weapon that should require a gun license.
That's crazy marketing.
It's crazy. Snapchat revealed new AR glasses.
Oh hell yeah! I gotta check that out.
that's
okay. Let's check out this body scanner.
Nice. Yeah, they have the body scanner. What you can do now is you could take a photo of your palm, and you could ask any of the AIs to just read your palm for you, and it's pretty crazy how accurate it is.
Let me see if I can share the audio of it.
If you guys ever known about the palm readings, people that you go to, so now AI Gemini can read your palm, which is pretty cool. I did it on mine the other day. I was like, wow, that's crazy how accurate it is.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is it? This is the body scanner?
Yeah, soon you're gonna just go on a date and you're just gonna be like, hey, can I scan your palm? And be like, oh, sorry, we're not compatible.
Oh my god.
It's very futuristic, right? It's kind of.
The LLM told me we're not compatible. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I can't have sex with you now. You could try again. You could try it with that guy down the block, maybe. Maybe he likes crazy palms.
And it lowers you into it?
Who the hell knows?
Whoa, what?
What the hell? This is very futuristic. I don't know. What is this?
It's like a robot, sex robot in manufacturing.
You gotta build it into your floor.
Are we gonna get copyrighted for this?
Well, we'll find out soon.
Oh, so you don't even need to do palm readings of girls anymore. Just get a nice
full body scan, yeah.
No way. That's crazy. Maybe you are on the break of some scientific and medical discovery, or no more cancer. It's crazy.
This is crazy.
Wait, they use AI to build this?
I guess so.
That's pretty cool. Probably only available for mad money.
It'd be funny if this whole thing is fake, it's just an AI generation.
So what does it tell you though? Your body fat and that's it?
This whole video is AI generated. It's an artist rendition of what the thing will look like.
Maybe it is.
This looks really expensive to install in your home. Medical, that's crazy.
So wait, what Midjourney is a coding tool, or what? That's the
AI art you could make. It was really
yeah. That was the visuals, right?
Yeah, you could make images. Yeah, it was more artsy than using ChatGPT, for example.
Oh yeah. I used their free open source. I remember model.
Yeah, it was the original one that we used to use, but I haven't been using it as much in the last few years.
Interesting. Yeah, that's more of the video, the video content creation, I guess, versus the medical aspect.
Yeah, I want to try Seed Dance, make some Marvel movies. Oh, so there's a Snap token for the specs for the AR glasses.
Oh,
that's weird. There's a Snapchat token. Oh, I shouldn't be shilling this. It's under 5K liquidity.
Why is it? Solana, yeah.
I'll take that down, yeah. Go back to Rome.
Welcome to Snap. Let's go back to the old good crap, ICP.
Did you see those images about featuring GTA 6 stuff from the White House? I don't know if that was real or... Yeah. I was like, what the hell? It's crazy.
2025? 2026?
I think it's only November.
What? Pre-order starts June 25th. Okay, how much is the pre-order though? $60? Or 200? It's probably gonna be $200. No way, it released on November. Oh, that's how you know it's gonna be bear market. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Man, last time GTA released, we were in 2008 crash.
I saw a lot of people saying that they're gonna have tokenized currency that you can then withdraw. That would be crazy. Oh yeah, this one.
I think that was debunked though.
Oh no, that was GTA 4.
I think Rockstar explicitly said they're not going to do crypto in the game.
Okay.
But yeah, every account in the government was posting GTA 6 stuff, so that was pretty bullish for the GTA 6 token.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure how GTA 6 token actually did. We could check it out on Dex Screener.
This is giving me that. Yeah. Guys, we might have a crazy recession.
Yeah.
Depending on the GTA release schedule.
Okay, here's GTA 6 token.
Yeah.
It's at 1 mil. It's kind of been ranging.
But that's okay.
Not bad. Look at that.
Yeah, decent.
Could have bought the dips every time. You would have done okay.
Oh, but it's mega recent. Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
A few days old.
Order, the Grand Theft Auto 6 will officially begin June 25th. Nice. For November release, basically, right? November, December.
It's up 20% in the last day.
Now, they're definitely going to have crypto stuff included in the game. It's going to be like maybe something else.
Yeah, but you won't be able to withdraw it to your external wallet. That's the problem.
Nice.
Or maybe you will, and they're just hiding that until it's released.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't want to. They don't want to pre-release it. They want to front run it themselves.
They're gonna have like inside, like how they had the stock market in the GTA 5. They'll probably have like a crypto market in GTA 4, but like it will still be inside the game. And then eventually, maybe when they do like online version, I don't know how they're gonna release it. They do it like story, and then they have this online, right? So they're gonna take this engine and they're gonna push it online. That's gonna be interesting.
I remember that stock market in GTA 5. I think you could like put all your money into the stock market in Act 1. By the end of it, you'd have
They had a stock market online too.
money or something. Yeah.
There was a stock market. It still goes on. I mean, like GTA 5 stock market.
Interesting.
That's great.
Online. Yeah. Pretty interesting. And but there was this infinite money glitch initially that kind of messed everything up.
Yeah, that's the one I remembered.
But yeah, they actually have. I don't know how you could see the charts, or maybe they just keep it on.
I think I beat the game a second time just so I could get the infinite money at the end of the playthrough or something.
Yeah.
Because I didn't do it properly the first time.
Yeah, I don't know. I forgot what website it is. I think it was this one right here. No, that's on the game. That was in the game. Oh, I guess it's when you have the game running online. You're running it on there. So you see it inside the game, basically.
Bossack.
Yeah, that's the Nasdaq of. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, so they might have like a crypto version, of this, which would be cool. We'll see how we'll see what they do. I mean, I always get excited for Rockstar developments. They always do like a troll of reality, right?
Yeah.
Like they're not really gonna give you exactly like NFTs, but they might have some NFTs inside the game, and they'll call it like, I don't know, titties or something. Entities, entities. You want your entities? They'll be like, what? Well, what is this entity? Okay, I like it. I will buy. They'll do a trend. That's what they do. I kind of like this Bonnie and Clyde vibe that they're going for, which is an awesome old school 1920s style bank robbers. With the love, what is it? It's like a dramatic love ending where both of them are just gonna get sacked somewhere down the line from what they're doing.
Do you think it'll be like having the two characters you can flip between? Is that how it works?
Oh, for sure.
Because with GTA 5, obviously, you had 3 male characters you could flip between, no female characters. So this one will be balanced, like 1 male, 1 female.
For sure, I think so. So, or maybe not. Maybe, who knows? We'll see. But it could, like, why wouldn't they do it this way? The thing is like with video games, you take a big risk when doing that. But Ubisoft did it. I haven't tried the new one, the Assassin's Creed, the one in Japan. I forgot what it was called. But yeah, like they did it where you have the guy and the girl. For me, I don't mind, but some people they don't like to play as a girl, so they'll just only guy, and then it'll affect the game.
But yeah, it's tough like Horizon Zero Dawn where you don't get a male character option, right? It's just female.
Yeah. So that one, but that's just because the protagonist is a female,
Yeah.
So it's like at the end of the day, they're trying to do 2 protagonists. It could get tricky, and then it's like when you do the story, you're like going in and out of like I'm playing a game right now, Witcher, for example, 3. They did it like that where you play. They have some places where you play as the girl Ciri. But then you're like mostly playing as Gerald from the main character. So it could be like you'll play as him most of the time, and then you'll have like some missions, like maybe like her getting him out of jail or whatever. You start off playing as her. We'll see how they tell the story. Really, it's up to them.
Yeah.
Or it could be like GTA 4 where you're just in and out at any time.
Cool.
Yeah, that's what there was. Michael Saylor with the stretch.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Oh my god, that's insane.
Buttocks. Yeah, that could be what can push. But that's what I think before I want to leave. That's probably the only bearish thing that could happen with Bitcoin is a liquidation of Saylor of some form, or at least a stretch program. because he clearly stretched it a little bit too wide, the bottom compartment. But yeah, and that's now the Bitcoin is going to have to start falling out of the bottom compartment that he is stretching. And it's not going to be good if that happens. I think at that point, it would probably go down to like this level easy, and it could happen quickly too. You know, like they right now the stretch is still low. Well, what is it? What's the ticker? STRC.
STRC.
Yeah, so it's like
88.
it's at 88. Oh,
So it's going to snap back to 100 right away.
Well, it's only if people start buying it, and they want if there's no demand. Like basically, the reason why it's at 88 is because Saylor, every time it was above 100, which I don't think was ever the case, but every time it was basically at 100, he issued more shares to get more Bitcoin or something, thinking that it was going to go. And he kept holding that. He never let it go above 100, basically. And every time he did that, now there's so much people don't care about it anymore, so they're actually dumping their shares. So somewhere along the line, his liquidity pool is not balanced. That's what this is showing you. But it makes sense here because here he opened the token, or sorry, I guess it's a stock, preferred stock. The preferred he issued the preferred stock already at 88, so technically it's back to its initial issue balance before people propped it up to 100 to participate into the 11% dividend. So kind of like if it doesn't recover from here, if he's not able to attract buyers at this point, this is like the baseline. He's gonna have to start buying it back to bring it back to 100. Essentially, he has to burn stretch token by selling Bitcoin, and then he'll bring it back to 100. Then he could maintain it, and that would be good. This should just be maintained. Is there any other example of preferred stocks that have been good? Let's see, like some good preferred stocks to buy 2026. Because I know preferred stocks. They're interesting. They're kind of like your gateway if you want the liquidity of the stock market, but you also want to participate in something like a fixed income equity. So there's probably are some decent ones out there. It's just it's not for us. This is more like for the
those are
accredited investors.
Yeah, normal stocks.
But Robinhood has STRC.
Let's just put it together. Wow, what the hell? Okay, AI maybe.
Robinhood's coming to Canada.
Nice.
Yeah, because right now I don't really seem to have access to STRC on my brokerage. So yeah, if Robinhood comes to Canada, I might have access.
So they even have preferred stock ETFs. So let's look at PSK. That's pretty interesting. It's an ETF, broadly diversified, designed around investment criteria, including convertibles. So pretty cool. Well, let's see what it is. And then there's Bank of America back also has another one. We could check both out. Let's add them. So let's do back first. That one I kind of understand. Let's see. Oh, so why is it like this? So this one trades differently. So I guess it depends how you design the preferred stock. This one seems to be more interest based. So as the dividend of the issue goes basically down, the price goes up, and vice versa. If the dividend increases, the price would go down. So they're balancing it like that, and it's never really 100 even, or was it? When did they start it? Holy crap, it's old. See, Saylor ChatGPT this and thought he was smart. These guys were doing it since 1970. Oh my god. So it came out from like $5 in 1970. So I guess it's like a variable thing. You could indefinitely keep changing the rules and see how the market just values it. Like I guess they didn't really value it at all during the stock market crash. They just sold to 50 to wow. Okay, and now it's back to 50. I mean, that's pretty cool. So there were some souls that were crushed here, probably, and now it's just like their account just recovered, and nobody even knew they died. Imagine it's like scary, right? Like I always thought about it, like who would, in a time of a recession like 2008, who would be the people that? Is it the people that were already rich and lost everything, or was it the people that like had nothing, became super rich, and then went to like super nothing again?
Maybe the ones that were always rich, they don't know how to make money, probably.
Yeah, you think it was not the gruesome guys that like were like, fuck, I'm back to shit.
It's a generational bottom.
Yeah, that was crazy. But yeah, it could be a mix of both. But so looking at this in terms of the stretch, like who knows at this point? Maybe it's meant to go down and they'll just redo it. The other one, what was the other one? The ETF. PSK. This could be like a little educational lesson for all of us. But let's see, State Street. Yeah, this is it. Let's see how this one they did it. Yeah, this one also goes kind of sideways from 50. It looks like the older ones they did like up to 50 tops, and then now it's like 30.
Do these ones try to stay pegged at 50, or what do they do?
I'm guessing it's some kind of formula like that. Yeah,
Hmm.
maybe it's like 2 shares make a whole.
Yeah.
But yeah, Stretch seems to be like 1 share makes a whole, and he's having kind of trouble right now getting it back up. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens with Stretch. This is definitely like an item that keeps demanding money. So every like quarter, he needs to pay dividends. So he could stop paying the dividends, but then this would just crash to zero, and then he lost his tool, basically another tool to get more funding for Bitcoin.
Yeah.
But this necessarily will not destroy Michael Saylor. So like it will not. It might crash the price of Saylor, but to another support area like here. But it's not going to necessarily bring it to zero, I think.
Yeah, he might surpass Elon in terms of wealth next bull run.
Really? How much BTC does SpaceX have, though? I think they have a lot also.
Can't be as much as MicroStrategy, though.
Yeah, but they have also SpaceX, which is already worth more than Bitcoin. And MicroStrategy doesn't have any of that.
True.
1 billion. Yeah. They have a nice amount. It's like $100, like 18,000, 20,000 Bitcoin almost.
But MicroStrategy has like 6 digits.
Yeah, he has a lot, but it's
He almost has 1 million.
Dude has like 800,000 or 600,000.
Mm-hmm.
MSCR BTC holdings 205, guys. I kind of have to run. I'm gonna end this. Well,
Cool.
my presentation. He has. Oh, that's a little glitch. Yeah, you're right. 846,000.
Well, thanks so much for joining us, Rom. Any final thoughts before we wrap?
Wow. Let's hope MicroStrategy doesn't collapse, guys. Or if he does, he might. Like, there is a diabolical. We have to share this last clip to MicroStrategy. He has to sneak into the office and he has to just burn all the Bitcoin. Like literally, just take it and send it to an unknown private key wallet. This will shoot Bitcoin to, and then shoot it to space with Elon Musk, because this would probably push Bitcoin to like millions of dollars if he does that. Of course, he then has to like disappear from the planet because you'll have a lot of angry people after him. But he will help all the plebs out with this strategy. He'll be a hero. He'll be like revered as the true Satoshi Nakamoto for the rest of his life if he does something like that. So yeah, let's try to get it out. Let's try to push him to do something crazy, because he's kind of getting a lot of FUD right now, and maybe this is the last incentive for him to become like a, how you say, like a Muhammad or like a Jesus Christ. What are they
like
called?
A martyr?
Like a prophet? Not
Yeah.
like a modern day prophet. He would be like the last guy that was but he was a little bit crazy. John McAfee. John McAfee almost got there, but then they kind of got him. But yeah, now Saylor has to take the fort. I'm like, guys, you wanna mess with me? I'm the captain. And just like burn all the Bitcoin.
That's the catalyst we need.
It's true. Yeah, that's fun.
Thanks so much for joining, guys. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great week. Happy Father's Day. Take care.
Enjoy.